Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VKTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move due to that final 30 minutes. Final 30 minutes of the day, you can see the volume just came pouring in. But that does lead to the question, I mean, when you consider, like I said, the price was down there going into the day, it closed up there. So any rational person is going to say, all right, yeah, the bulls definitely made good, solid progress. But that leads to that question. Is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this point right here at, let's call it $2.35. Why is $2.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 235. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old channel that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying this will happen. Let's just pretend behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this instance here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. Let's do different colors. That didn't work out too well. So you have a set of lows right here. You have this set of lows right there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, then what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 235. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to touch on those because at this point in time, in my opinion, at least the top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases. As long as higher bases are being built, the overall chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.